Welcome to Mesa Day. My name is Tong Zhang. I'm the Executive Director of Oregon Mesa, and we are so excited to see you and have you join us for a week full of fun STEM activities. This year, we wanted to keep Mesa Day hands-on, so we sent all of our current Mesa students a bag of goodies to enjoy and use for this week of activities. In your bag, you'll find a packet with information about all of the sessions we have for you this week. But this video is a quick overview of what to expect.
We have activities and events happening virtually here on Big Marker from 4:30 to 6 p.m. on Tuesday, May 18th through Thursday, May 20th. Be sure to register on Big Marker for the virtual sessions now so you don't forget by clicking the registration link on our series page. You can also register by going to tinyurl.com/Mesa Day 2021. We're also emailing each current Mesa student a Grubhub e-gift card so you can get whatever meal you want to celebrate the week. Grubhub allows you to pick from a bunch of different restaurants and get food delivered to your house. The code you receive is like a real physical gift card, so don't share your e-code with anyone else or they can use it. You need to use your e-code by Friday, June 7th, or it will disappear. We'll also send codes to your advisor so that they can share your code with you if you don't receive an email from us. If you have any issues, you can email us at ormesa@pdx.edu or text us at 833-644-0345.
On Tuesday, join us at 4:30 to learn more about what's happening at Mesa Day this year. Once you complete the session in Big Marker, we'll send you instructions to join our next session, the Invention Telephone Game, which we're holding in Gathertown. The session takes about 10 to 15 minutes, so we recommend joining at 4:30 or 5 p.m. to ensure that you have enough time to start the Invention Telephone Game.
Gathertown is an open platform, like a video game, where you can walk around, interact with other Mesa students. It's a really fun platform, but we recommend using a laptop or computer to play as it's much easier than using your phone or tablet. We also recommend making sure your browser settings allow gather.town to use your microphone and record video to avoid any frustration on the day of. But if you need help, we'll be there for you in the session. For our first challenge, the Invention Telephone Game, you will be paired up with another Mesa student and work together to communicate and build a quick invention.
On Wednesday, we'll meet back in Big Marker to introduce the day's activities, review some quick instructions on how to use Gathertown, and give you the link to join the College and Career Fair. Come to Big Marker session anytime between 4:30 and 5:30 p.m. to get access to this event. The College and Career Fair will be open from 4:30 to 6 p.m. in Gathertown for you to meet some great people from companies like Nike, Intel, PGE, OMSI, Google, BPA, PAE, New Relic, and Malem Architects and Columbia Sportswear. You'll also hear from university partners such as Portland State, Oregon Tech, Portland Community College, SHIP, and NSBE. At the College and Career Fair, you'll be able to talk to different STEM professionals, college representatives, and summer program partners to learn about a bunch of opportunities to build your skills in STEM fields and learn more about what it's like to work in those careers. As you visit different booths, you'll get points towards the raffle entries, which will help you get raffle tickets for special prices we're announcing at the end of the week.
We also have a STEM challenge called the Amazing Car Challenge, sponsored by Care Oregon. For this challenge, we've sent all students who are enrolled in Mesa this year an RC car and some batteries. Build your car, snap some pictures, and tag us in a photo on social media using our tags at Oregon Mesa and hashtag a Mesaing car on Facebook or Instagram. Alternatively, if you can't use social media, you can email us at ormesa@pdx.edu to get entered for some extra raffle prizes. Just remember to do so by 6 p.m. on Wednesday, May 19th, so we can enter you before our big event at the end of the week. The more different cars and tricks you submit, the more entries you'll get.
Our final event of the week is our award ceremony day on Thursday. Our closing ceremony will be held right here on Big Marker from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. At the ceremony, we're going to be announcing our Mesa Day competition winners, our National Engineering Design Challenge sponsored by Corvo winners, Students of the Year, and raffle prize winners. You'll also hear from an amazing Oregon Mesa alum, Bosco Conte, who is a Grammy award-winning music producer and engineer.
Finally, we'll close Mesa Day on Thursday with a really special celebration, our Future Innovator Celebration, held in Big Marker from 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. We will be honoring our graduating seniors and feature some really special guests. We don't want to spoil it, but you should definitely join and encourage your family to watch as well. Well, that's it, folks. We're so excited to celebrate with you this year, and thank you so much for being part of Nuestra Familia.